I think this should work. Let's test it out. Hold on. And, well, I could do this here. I did. All right, cool. I think we're back in business. Back in business. And let's go back here. And let's make sure this is working. All right, so let's see, we need to encode position, rotation, scale, velocity, color, sure, etc. Angular velocity. Right? Like we want to control all of that stuff, but each instance that we have is going to have its own set of these properties, right? Like, let me think here. So position, rotation, and scale, that all goes inside of like a matrix. I'm wondering if, here, let me think. I mean, maybe what we could do is make another like float 32 array, right? That has, let's see, so that'd be 16. Velocity would be another 3. Color would be another 3. And angular velocity would be another 3. So, let me think here. Maybe we make two, we can make, well, let me think. It's like this could be another matrix right here, right? But it only is, well, I guess scale could have a velocity too, right? Like if it's, hold on a second. Particles are hard. Let's just keep that there for now. I mean, we're just rotating it here. I wonder if I can I just do this? See if that, wait, why is this still on? There we go. Okay, so that still works. But they're all rotating like themselves. Let me think here. Pretty sure if I did like no. Like first effective for most trying to think here. But wait, how does that work? If I have I could have like the inverse, right? Of like a how can I do this? Because I mean, if I just did like this set dummy dot position dot x, we'll do y plus equals 0.01. Let's see if they all either globally go up or they go their each ways, right? Doesn't even look like they're moving out. I don't know. Maybe it's too slow. Probably. I can't even see. No, it doesn't even look like they're doing anything. Oh wait, here. You know what I have to do? Okay, so it clearly looks like it's working in the way that I want it to. That's good. It's good, for sure. Here, wait, let's we'll change this later. Alright, so if the here we'll just that's good. It's -10. Except that's gonna be hold on. I'll say minus equals 20. Sure. Cool. That works. Let's make it like -200. And if it's greater than 100. It works pretty well. Alright, let's do something else. Let's because we can modify now that we have like an instance matrix, we have a color, an instance color, I think it is called. Whoops. Let me think, where would I put it? Here, we'll just put, so we have instance matrix, then we have instance color. So I would have to make this a new, hold on a second here, represents the colors of all instances, yep. Instance color needs update flag to true if you modify instance data via set color at. Oh, I see. You know, it's funny because we never used that. So if you look here, we've got this here, this.dummy.matrix.toArray, this.instance matrix.array, right? But we never used the built-in this.set matrix add. That's funny. We're doing what it's supposed to do, but I guess we're doing it our own way. So we could do this for color, right? And we can say, well, actually, you know what? Let's just make them like different colors from the very beginning. And then they should just keep their colors, right? We're just gonna create this instance. Okay, here, let's do that. All right, so, let's create the color instance array buffer. Or I mean, sorry, buffer attribute. Wait, no, we say this dot instance color equals, wait, no, it would be new. Hold on a second. Yeah, all right, we'll do that. Amount times 3. Yeah, that works. Okay, and then we'll say loop through buffer attribute colors. No, I don't want to do that. Actually, you know what? It's funny because that would kind of work. Kind of. See, that's why I made this function, because I don't want to make these for loops all the time. I mean, technically they're all 0, so that they're all going to be like black anyways, right? So we'll say and we'll say private color dummy from 3. Let's go ahead and add the import. It should be coming from 3, right? Yeah, okay. Remove all unused. Alright, get rid of my colors thing I was adding. We'll do that later. Okay, so counts colors equals new float, and then we'll say for let I equals 0. Do this over and over and over. Am I already doing it here? No, I'm doing it here. Whatever, I'll write it here. Alright, so I is less than amount. I plus plus. The color dummy dot set. That would work. That would work actually. To array. Alright, now we'll say this dot instance color equals new buffer attributes. Or is it an instance buffer attribute? Yeah, instance buffer attribute. Why is this like yelling at me? Okay, it's gonna be colors. Item size is 3. Normalized. Why? What is normalized? I don't even know what normalized actually does, to be honest. I'm gonna put true. I'm curious now. Alright, let's see what this does. I don't know if this will even work. Holy shit, it worked. Cool, man. Alright, here, we've got our hearts. I'm gonna make them go up a little bit slower. I know they're all going up at the exact same time, but we'll fix that. Okay, so we'll do like 0.05. Yeah, a little bit more. 0.01 maybe. Okay, not too bad. That turned out nice, actually. I'll be honest. Here, let's get rid of the wireframe. Let's get rid of the wireframe. There it is. Cool. Alright, here you go. Here's our hearts. I'm gonna make the renderer transparent. Let's see. Super HTML elements, CTX. Well, I guess I could do. No, decomposer. Oh no, would it be renderer? There we go. That is cool, man. That really worked out well. Definitely worked out well. Cool, man. All right, so now I'm so happy. I'm happy with this result. Thanks, three.js, for making it easy. All right, so now that we have this, you know, this is actually not too bad. Hold on, let me think here for a minute. What should I do with this thing? Oh, yeah, so there was this idea to, like, you know, you click on these hearts and they would explode and some message would come out. But I wasn't sure on, like, how to really... I mean, we could add the ray casting to this thing, but I'm just trying to think of how we could approach it. Also, we need to add in some of these screens for, you know, preloading some stuff. I mean, right now it loads pretty fast, but yeah, it's just there's really no direction yet. So we at least have this component, right, that will do what it needs to do. You know, what's really nice about this is, like, I could, if I went way over here, it's technically not running that loop, so it's efficient. It's nice. Now it will. And this orbit controls thing, I gotta clean up a bit. I want to see if this ticker will work. Actually, here, app.ticker. App.ticker.feed equals 0.4. Is that? Actually, you know what? I didn't put that in for the. Let me put that as the okay, so I could say it's in a tick, right? No, I don't want that. Private ticker. So if I did times just that ticker, that speed. Try that now. So if I did, oh yeah, it does work. Huh. Sweet, man. Did 10, it'll be really fast. You know what? I know what I should do now. I need to add in some debug panes for adjusting these values, right? And then that way we can, you know, tweak it a little bit to what we want. This turned out pretty good, man. I'm glad. Okay. All right, give me a bit. I'm gonna go on break. I'm gonna try and think of what I need to do with this, and I gotta help with the kids with something real quick. So, meantime, I will see you in about 10 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Let me turn this back on. Okay. I wonder how many particles I can get away with. Let's try it. Hearts app. I've got scatter size. Wait, there's just 100 of them? This was 100? Alright, well, let's do 1,000. Let's do 500. Does that make any difference? Wait. It looks like way less. And I put in 500. Oh, no. I see what I'm doing here. I see what I'm doing. I see what I'm doing. So... And this is wrong, by the way, this dummy thing that I put in. That doesn't need to be there. That actually needs to be inside of the mesh, right? I could put that in here as a... The L needs to be in here. Oh, here we go, that's why. So I make a new mesh. What do I make in here? New heart mesh. Ah, this is where I'd put it. Let's set that back to 100. Make it look normal again. Okay, so there is 1,000 of them. Let's do 10,000. Wait, I want to try doing this. Yeah, 10,000. Hey, that's not too bad. Wow, that's nice. Works out well. Let's do 1,000,000. $1 million of them. Oh my god. That's too much. That is way too much. Wait, let me refresh. Maybe I just need to refresh. Holy shit, that's a lot. That's a lot. Alright, let's do a little bit less than that. Let's just do 100,000. Alright, it's definitely pushing it. I can feel it having a hard time. I mean, this is clearly way too many. I don't need to have this many hearts. This is way too many hearts. At least we know, though. At least we know our limit. Okay. Now the way that I set it up is now that I'm looping. Find the heart mesh. Set the count. Count is what is that? 100,000, right? So let's set it to be like 100. It should only render and go and loop through 100 of them. But it's still... It's still really slow. I mean, I'm setting it, hold on, m.instance matrix. instance color dot count equals 100, and then instance matrix dot count equals 100. See, that smooths it up. Not really. Yeah, that doesn't really smooth it up that much. All right, well let's go down a little bit more. Let's do 50,000. Oops. All right, it's a little smoother, but no. Let's do 20,000. Oops. This might be a little bit better now. Well, at least I know I can get away with 10,000 of them. That's at least smooth. Oops. Wondering if I should change the material and you know, I'm curious. I think this probably hurts my my bit rate. I want to change it so that this material has like some shading and stuff on it. Maybe. Maybe not. You know what I should try? I'm gonna add a pass, add-ons dot pass. SS. All right, screen space ambient occlusion pass. App.scene, app.camera, width 2 and height 2. We'll do res.width. No, res.x. This actually has a width? It does. Huh. Kernel size. I don't want to leave that alone. Okay. And then I'm going to do app.composer.add pass. Alright, so it's in there. I don't know if it's really working necessarily. I think it might be actually. Yeah, it is. It totally is. Check that out, dude. That is cool, man. Look at that. I can't believe that works. That is cool, man. You guys see that too, right? Like you see kind of like a shadow. That's great. Fantastic. Man, I might just add that in. It's so cool. People are smart. People are so freaking smart. All right. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go because I have to get dinner ready and blah blah blah. I'm a parent, so I will be on later on. I'm gonna try and do 8 o'clock at night every night. We'll at least spend like 2 or 3 hours doing this stuff. I'm so happy with this outcome though. This worked out. Okay. Well, guys, we'll continue doing this. We'll add in ray casting so that when we click on these things, we can make them do something. And I'm gonna use Blender to at least start like the scene and stuff of getting these things ready. You know, we need a like a a preloader thing just in case, all of that stuff. So yeah. Yeah, I'm really happy with that result. That's really cool. You can just add those passes and it works out that way. Okay. Alright guys, it's been fun. We'll talk soon. Thanks again for watching, if anybody's there. See ya.